Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Canva Pro Elements for totally free. You don't have to pay monthly fees to Canva. So first of all, what you want to do is go search for the element. For example, shoes. As you can see, this is the Pro element I can't use. Obviously I can use, but when I try to download, it will tell me that I need to upgrade the plan. And it has a Canva watermark on it, so I can't use it. So this is the wrong way. The right way is to click F12. As you can see, this is the developer section. What you want to do is go search for the element. As you can see, this is the element. Right click and then click inspect. As you can see here, this is the URL of the image. You're gonna copy it and then paste it in the browser. This is PNG image without the Canva watermark. Now you want to download it, right click and then save image. You're gonna name it anything you want and boom, we have a PNG image for free without watermark and you can use it wherever you want, whenever you want. So after that there is this optional step. You can enhance the quality of the image. You can go to Chrome, use AI tools to enhance this image, type AI image enhancer, choose any website you want. They basically do the same thing. Click upload image and then you upload the image you download and then click free download. As you can see, we have a higher quality image without watermark, and basically you can do that to all the elements that requires a pro plan. So if you find this video is useful, make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.